Hi, I'm Caesar Bryan, the portfolio manager of the Gabelli Gold Fund. Today, gold is trading at around $3,030 per ounce, which is an all-time high. We believe that over the last 3 years, the main driver for gold has been overseas central banks adding to their gold reserves in response to the freezing of Russia's reserves. This is due to gold being recognized as a reserve asset, and of course, it is no one else's liability. And we expect this trend to continue, with central banks further adding to their gold reserves. However, until recently, ounces of gold in ETFs have declined significantly, reflecting a lack of Western investor interest in gold. There's also been selling of gold equity ETFs by investors. This is now changing, however, as investors are adding to their gold holdings, as evidenced by ounces of gold held in gold bullion ETFs recently rising sharply. And this is due to recent economic uncertainty and geopolitical turbulence. Gold equities have lagged gold, which we believe presents an opportunity. Gold equities are trading at around about the same level as they were at their highs in 2022. Meanwhile, the gold price has risen by well over $1,000 per ounce, which helps their revenues and profitability. In our gold portfolios, we've been focusing on mid-sized gold producers, which are generating significant amounts of free cash flow, which can lead to capital returns to shareholders. Some of them actually have a decent growth profile, and as a group, we believe they trade at an unjustified discount to the larger producers. Thank you.
Caesar Bryan is portfolio manager for the Gabelli Gold Fund, the Gabelli International Growth Fund, and the Gabelli International Small Cap Fund. This podcast is an excerpt from Gabelli TV that appeared on March 19, 2025. The portfolio manager's views are subject to change at any time based on market and other conditions. The information in this posting represents the opinions of the individual portfolio manager and is not intended to be a forecast of future events, a guarantee of future results, or investment advice. Views expressed are those of the portfolio managers and may differ from those of other GAMCO officers, portfolio managers, other employees, or the firm as a whole. Because the investment personnel at GAMCO and our affiliates make individual investment decisions with respect to the client accounts that they manage, these accounts may have transactions inconsistent with the information contained in this posting. Investments related to gold and other precious metals and minerals are considered speculative and are affected by a variety of worldwide economic, financial, and political factors. Investing in foreign securities involves risks not ordinarily associated with investment in domestic issues. Funds concentrating in specific sectors may experience greater fluctuations in value than funds that are more diversified. Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 800 Gabelli or visit www.gabelli.com.